Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Core Academic Skills for Educators exam for elementary education? That is Test 5752. This is a multi-subject exam, and this particular problem set covers the subtest 5733 and covers the subtopic of mathematics algebra. Let's review some of the types of questions you may encounter on the exam. Let's get started. Problem number 1. What is the value of y when x equals 1 in the equation 2y minus 8x equals 10? So let's plug the numbers in. 2y minus 8 times 1 is equal to 10. 2y minus 8 is equal to 10. So let's add 8 to each side. So we get 2y equals 18. And then divide each side by 2. And we get y equals 9. Let's check that out. 2 times 9 minus 8 times 1 equals 10. 18 minus 8 equals 10. That works. So the answer is 9. Problem number 2. Evaluate x squared minus 3x plus 4 at x equals minus 6. X equals negative 6. So let's begin. X squared minus 3x plus 4. Now we are going to plug negative 6 in. Plus 4. So negative 6 squared is 36. Minus 3 times negative 6 is negative 18. Plus 4. So we've got 36 now plus 18 plus 4. And that equals 40 plus 18 is 58. So the answer is 58. Problem number 3. Tom took 30 minutes longer to do his science assignment than to do his English assignment. He spent a total of 2.5 hours on both subjects. Find the total amount of time he spent on the science assignment only. So let's take a look here. Science for Tom took half an hour more than his English. So science equals English plus 30. And we also need to find how many minutes is 2.5 hours. So 2.5 hours is equal to 2 hours is 120 minutes, and 0.5 hours is 30 minutes. So now we're dealing with 150 minutes. We've got science, which is E plus 30 plus English equals 150. We can subtract 30 from each side. So we have E plus E equals 120. 2E equals 120. Divide each side by 2. E equals 60. So let's see if that works. E equals 60 plus 30 equals 90 minutes on his science. And that would be 60 on his English. Do 60 and 90 add up to 150? They do indeed. So he spent 90 minutes on his science, and that is the correct answer. Problem number 4. Simplify the following algebraic expression. -3 times, in parentheses, 5 plus 4a, close parentheses, minus 12 plus 8a. So we've got to look at PEMDAS first, the order of operations. So parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So let's write down our expression here. -3 times 5 plus 4a minus 12 plus 8a. We can't simplify or do anything to the expression in the parentheses, but we can do this. -3 times 5 plus -3 times 4a minus 12 plus 8a. -3 times 5 is -15 plus -3 times 4a is -12a minus 12 plus 8a. Now we're going to put like terms together. So -15 minus 12, and that is -27. And we've got -12a plus 8a, and that is -4 or minus 4a. So our simplified algebraic expression is -27 minus 4a, and there you have it. I hope I was able to clarify this subtopic of mathematics algebra so that you now have a better understanding of the types of questions you can expect to find on the exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.